The standard for certificates used on internet is X.509. An X.509 certificate is a digital certificate based on the widely accepted International Telecommunication Union ITU X.509 standard, which defines the format of public key infrastructure PKI certificates. The hashed message is signed by a sender using his private key. A sender has to encrypt the data with its own private key so that the receiver is capable of extracting data using the sender's public key. A public key encryption system allows only the correct receiver to decode the data. The asymmetric key encryption uses two keys: public key, private key. Public key, which is known to everyone; private key, which is known to users only. By using the encryption, only the correct receiver can decode the data by using his private key. SHA-1 is message digest function. SHA-1 is a procedure 160-bit hash value or message digest which resembles the hash value of MDS algorithm. SHA-1 is a secure hashing algorithm. Hashing is also called as one-way encryption, which cannot be decrypted back to the original or plain text. Advanced encryption standard AES is based on symmetric key algorithm. AES is a symmetric key algorithm, that is, the same key is used for encryption and decryption process. The AES replaced the DES with the new and updated features. Block encryption implementation: 128-bit group encryption with 128, 192 and 256-bit key lengths. Sixth one, the example of polyalphabet substitution is Wegener-Kappa. The Wegener-Kappa is a method of encrypting alphabetic text by using a series of interwoven Kaiser cappers based on the letter of keywords. It employs a form of polyalphabet situation. What will be the ciphertext produced by the following cipher function for the plain text Isro with the key case equals to 7. Consider A equals to 0, B equals to 1 and so on. Z, that is equals to 25. C of M is equals to Km plus 13 mod 26. RJCH. A0, B is equals to 1, C and so on. I is equals to 8, S is equals to 18, R is equals to 17, O is equals to 14. C of I is equals to Ki plus 13 mod 26. C I ki 7 into 8. K ante 7 undi kada. K is equals to 7 into 8 plus 11 mod 26 is equals to 17. Science 41, 7, 8, 49, 56 plus 13, 56 plus 13, 69 by 26, 26 1, 26, 26, 26, 26 to 52. Okay, 2 is 52, 9 8s, 69 minus 52, 8, 17 ఎట్లా వచ్చింది? 6 7 8 7 7 ఎట్లా 7 డివిజన్ చేస్తే 26 26 2 26 2 17 మిగులుద్ది. సో మోడ్ కాన్సర్ 17. ఓకే, 17 దట్ ఈజ్ ఆర్. సేమ్ అలాగే మిగతా వాటన్నిటికీ చేస్తే 17 9 2 హెచ్ వస్తుంది, 2 వస్తే సి. ఓకే, ఈ క్వశ్చన్ భలే సింపుల్గా ఉందబ్బా. ఐ లైక్ ఇట్. విచ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ ఎన్క్రిప్షన్ ఆల్గోరిథమ్ ఈజ్ బేస్డ్ ఆన్ ద ఫెస్టల్ స్ట్రక్చర్ డేటా ఎన్క్రిప్షన్ స్టాండర్డ్? Feistel cipher is a symmetric cipher used in the construction of a block cipher. DES is symmetric based on a festival structure. RC4 symmetric but not based on a Feistel structure. RSA is asymmetric. AES is symmetric but not based on Feistel structure. In a system, an RSA algorithms with P is equals to 5 and Q is equals to 11 is implemented for data security. What is the value of the description key if the value of the encryption key is 27? 3. Okay, P is equals to 5, Q is equal to 11, encryption key is equals to 27. N is equals to P into Q, that is equals to 5 into 11 is equals to 55. 5 of N is equals to P minus 1 into Q minus 1, that is equals to 4 into 10, that is equals to 5. E is equals to such and D such that D into E modulo 5 of N is equals to 1. Decryption D is equals to D into 27 percentage of 40 is equals to 1. If we put 3, then 27 into 3 modulo is equals to 40, that is equals to 1. సో ప్రతిసారి 1 వస్తుంది. సో 3 సరిగ్గా అర్థం కావట్లేదా? MDS is widely used hash function for producing hash value of 128 bits. The MDS algorithm is widely used hash function producing a 128-bit hash value. Although MD5 initially designed to be used as an cryptographic hash function, it has been found to suffer most extensive vulnerabilities. It can still be used as a checksum to verify data integrity, but only against unintentional corruption. 11th. Pretty good privacy PGP is used in email security. A pretty good privacy PGP is an encryption program that provides cryptographic privacy and authentication for data communication. PGP is used for syncing, encrypting and decrypting text, emails, files, directories and whole disk partition, and to increase the security of email communication. 12th one. What is WAP? Wide protected access. WAP is wide protected access. WPA stands for Wi-Fi protected access. WPA is 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 Wi-Fi protected access. WPA transfer Wi-Fi protected access. It is a security standard for computing devices equipped with a wireless internet connection. WPA provides a data encryption and user authentication to the computing devices connected to a Wi-Fi network. And 13. Using a public key cryptography, X adds a digital signature phi to the message M, encrypts M phi and sends it to Y, where it is decrypted. Which one of the following sequence of keys is used for operations? Encryption X private key followed by Y's public key, description Y's private key followed by X public key. 13. Encryption X private key followed by Y's public key, description Y's private key followed by X public key. Okay. Private key followed by ఇది ఇంకొకసారి విన్నావా? ఎన్క్రిప్షన్ ఏంది? ఎక్స్ ప్రైవేట్ కీ ఫాలోడ్ బై వై. ఇక్కడ ఎన్క్రిప్షన్ ఎక్స్ ప్రైవేట్ కీ ఫాలోడ్ బై వైస్ పబ్లిక్ కీ. Y's public X private key is followed by the public cryptography. X adds a digital signature phi to a message M, encrypts M comma phi and then sends to Y. Various descriptions. Which of the following is correct? Encryption X private key followed by Y's public key, description Y's private key followed by X public key. Encryption X private key followed by Y's public key, description Y's private key followed by X public key. 14th one. Which of the followings are used to generate a message digest by a network security protocol? SHA 256, MD5, ENS. 14th one. RSA. It is an algorithm used to encrypt and decrypt messages. Message Digest 5 or MDS5 is a widely used cryptographic hash function. SHA-1 Secure Hash Algorithm 1 or SHA-1 is a cryptographic hash function. DES Data Encryption Standard or DES is asymmetric key algorithm for encryption of electronic data. P and S be the message digest. Option A is final answer. In cryptography, the following uses transposition ciphers and the keyword in layer encrypt the following message. Spaces are omitted during the encryption. Okay, ETSI COOCY marker up ruler. Welcome to network security. ఇది ఎట్లా తయారైంది అంటే ఆల్ఫాబెటికల్ కాదు. 15. Key plain text. 3. Welcome. ఓకే, లేయర్ 5 లెటర్స్ ఉంది. కీ వచ్చేసి 31524. Layer encrypt the following mission spaces are omitted. Key 31524 అని ఎందుకు వచ్చింది? ప్లేన్ టెక్స్ట్. వెల్కమ్ WEETISC. ఇక్కడ ఫస్ట్ ETISC ETSI. ఓకే, ETSI COOCY WMEKR ONRU exclamatory ONWRU exclamatory LTWET LTWET 1 2 3 4 5 plain text. The cipher text EETS Coco Walker a not wet. మిగతా వాటిని అట్లా రాయలేమా తెలియదే. Avalanche effect is a cryptography avalanche effect in cryptography is describable property of a cryptographic algorithm. Avalanche effect is a describable property cryptographic algorithm. 17th. What is one advantage of setting up up a DMZ demilitarized zone with the 2 firewalls? You can do load balancing. Setting up a DMZ with the 2 firewalls has its own advantages. The biggest advantages that you can do load balancing. A topology with 2 firewalls also helps in protecting internal services on the land from denial of a services attacks on the firewall perimeter. 18th one. Which of the following algorithm is not used in asymmetric key cryptography? Electronic code book algorithm. An ECB systematic key encryption algorithm. In the colonna transport cipher, the plain text is the tomato is a plant in the nightshade family. Keyword tomato in the cipher text. T-axofran healthy vaccine. 19th. ఇది కూడా 1 T-axo 532164 TAMO TOMATO 6 keywords కాబట్టి ఇది 6 letters ఉంది. T A B C D E F G H I J K L M N ఎంత ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ చేసిన ఎట్లా మార్చినారబ్బా ఇది. 20. Avalanche effect in cryptographic refers to a large charges in ఇది 2 సార్లు వచ్చింది avalanche అనేది. A large changes in ciphertext when the keyword is changed minimally. Large changes in ciphertext when the plain text is changed. 20. Avalanche effect in a cryptographic refers to a large change in ciphertext when the keyword is changed minimally. The large change in the ciphertext when the plain text is changed.